Looking to upgrade your car's stereo without the hassle? Scoscia's aftermarket stereo dash kit offers a seamless solution that fits perfectly in your vehicle's factory location. Designed for a gapless fit, it blends right into your dashboard, maintaining the clean, factory look you want. What sets this kit apart is its attention to detail. The color and texture match your factory dash exactly, so it won't look like an aftermarket add-on. Made from high-quality automotive-grade ABS, it's built to last and withstand everyday wear without fading or cracking. Installation is straightforward and doesn't require any special tools. The kit comes with clear, step-by-step instructions, making it easy for even first-time installers. You won't have to worry about complicated setups or professional help, saving you time and money. Scoscia has been a trusted name in car audio accessories for over 40 years. Their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction means you're getting a product that meets rigorous standards. Plus, every purchase is backed by a limited lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support, so help is always just a call or click away. One satisfied customer shared their experience installing the kit in a 2005 350Z. While the mounting posts were a bit thin and needed a screwdriver for alignment, the overall fit was excellent. Minor imperfections like a slightly less clean bezel are hardly noticeable once installed, proving the kit's practical design. If you want a reliable, clean-looking upgrade that fits like it was made for your car, this dash kit is worth considering. It's designed to enhance your stereo experience without compromising your vehicle's original style or requiring complicated installation. Ready to improve your car's audio setup with confidence? Scoscia's dash kit delivers quality, durability, and support that lasts. Try it when you're ready and enjoy a professional look with minimal effort.